Okay, so UTV Engineering has a new product out. It's the dry sump oil reservoir dipstick extension, and he has two sizes, a short one and a long one. The short one will work for the RMX 4. The short one and the long one will work for the RMX 2. The reason why the long one won't work is because you have this bracket here. And if I place this on here, this is pretty close. So I wouldn't feel comfortable with the long one on the RMX 4. So he provides two screws that you can drill through and permanently mount it. But if you just want to use this as a tool, you don't have to permanently mount it. So RMX 4 guys can use this as long as you don't permanently mount it. Use it as a tool. Otherwise, permanently mount it, use the shorter one that he offers. And he might change his design to accommodate. So there you go, UTV Engineering, dry sump, oil dipstick extension, because the stock one was made for midgets with small hands. Thanks.